Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to buy WLFi Token. To begin your journey, the very first step is to set up your Coinbase account. This process is straightforward and ensures a secure trading environment. You'll need to provide a valid identification document, like a driver's license or passport, to complete the necessary verification steps. This usually takes just a few minutes, ensuring your account is ready for safe transactions. Once your account is verified, the next step is to fund it. Coinbase offers several convenient ways to deposit money. You can link your bank account for larger transfers, use a debit card for instant purchases, or even utilize services like Apple Pay. Make sure you deposit enough funds to cover the amount of WLFi you wish to buy, plus any small transaction fees. This step is crucial before making your first purchase. Now for the exciting part, buying WLFi. Open your Coinbase app and tap on the Buy and Sell button. In the search bar, type World Liberty Financial or simply WLFi to find the token. Once selected, you can enter the exact amount you want to spend or the number of WLFi tokens you wish to acquire. Carefully review all the order details, including the price and any associated fees, before proceeding. After reviewing your order, simply confirm the purchase. Congratulations, you've just bought WLFi. Your new World Liberty Financial tokens will instantly appear in your Coinbase portfolio. From there, you can easily monitor their performance, decide to hold them for the long term, or explore other trading opportunities within the platform. Coinbase provides various tools to help you manage your crypto assets effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.